हाय एवरीवन, मैं हूं आपकी अनामिका फ्रॉम रोलिंग पंपकिन प्रोडक्शंस। आज हम डाइव करने वाले हैं इन वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पावरफुल एंड कंट्रोवर्शियल मिलिट्री अलायंसेस इन द वर्ल्ड, NATO, the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. It has been around for 75 years and it's still shaping the geopolitics even today. So what is NATO? Why was it formed? What's its structure? And why does it have such a bloody history? Stick around because by the end we will connect the dots to Ukraine-Russia war and what's happening in global politics right now. So let's get started. Alright, let's break it down. NATO का जन्म हुआ था April 4, 1949 में and today ये एक military alliance 32 countries की है। 30 यूरोप में है और 2 नॉर्थ अमेरिका में है, USA and Canada. So think of it as a joint army of these nations designed to protect each other. But why does this alliance even exist? For that we'll have to go to the original story. World War II के बाद वर्ल्ड एक मेस में था। दो सुपर पावर्स इमर्ज हुई, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स एंड सोवियत यूनियन और USSR. And Europe was caught in the middle and tensions were sky high. First NATO General Secretary Lord S. He famously summed up NATO's purpose with this blunt line: to keep the Russians out, the Americans in, and the Germans down. So let's unpack that. Firstly, keep the Russians out. USSR अपने influence को expand कर रहा था ईस्टर्न यूरोप की तरफ, and West ने इसको as a threat देखा. NATO was meant to stop Soviet aggression, or at least that is the official story. Second, keep the Americans in. After World War II, US wanted to lead the new world order, and NATO ensured that US stayed deeply involved in Europe. And आज भी NATO के बजट का 70% US से ही contribute करता है. And third, keep the Germans down. Germany was a powerhouse before World War II, and NATO was a way to make sure it never rebuilt a massive army again. So ताकि ये NATO alliance पे dependent रहे. इससे ये NATO alliance पे हमेशा dependent रहा. So this idea came from countries like Belgium, France, Netherlands, and UK, and it became quickly a US-led project. Some say NATO wasn't just about defense, it was about building a globalist army for what people call the deep state. Conspiracy or not, let's keep that in mind and move ahead. So how does NATO work? At the top, a general secretary होता है who is always a European. Right now it's Jens Stoltenberg from Norway. But here's the kicker. The real power lies with the Supreme Allied Commander Europe, or SACE. And ये वाला जॉब हमेशा एक अमेरिकन को जाता है. The current SACE is Christopher Covely, a US Army general. And get this, a known Bilderberg meeting attendee. Deep state ties. You decide. NATO की जो strength है वो उसकी unity से आती है. And वो जो है वो Article 5 से आता है NATO के. The most famous and frankly the most dangerous part of this constitution. Article 5 क्या कहता है? Article 5 कहता है कि किसी भी एक NATO member पे attack होता है तो it is an attack on 32 countries. So imagine this. If someone messes up with say Estonia, then the US, UK, France, everyone jumps in. It's only been invoked once after 9/11 when NATO joined the US in attacking Afghanistan. That's the power and the risk of Article 5. But NATO's history is not all about defense. इसके हाथ खून से भी सने हुए हैं. In 1999, NATO bombed Serbia and Yugoslavia, hitting civilians in the process. In 2011, it helped topple Libya's Gaddafi and chaos followed. So सिर्फ जो इसकी moves है वो इसकी protection के लिए नहीं है. It's about power projection as well. So let's talk about Russia. NATO was created to counter the USSR, but when the Soviet Union collapsed in 1991, NATO did not disband. Instead, it expanded eastwards, despite promises that it won't. Check this out. 1999 में Poland, Hungary, Czech Republic joined. 2004 में 7 more countries including the Baltic states, right on Russia's doorstep. 2017 में Montenegro, 2020 में Northern, 2020 में North Macedonia, 2023 में Finland and 2024 में Sweden. NATO was encircling Russia. अब रशिया ने इसको एज अ betrayal देखा and a threat. Imagine यदि आप इंडिया में हैं and पाकिस्तान NATO ज्वाइन कर लेता है. How would India react? And that's how Russia felt about Ukraine. In 2014, a US-backed regime change in Ukraine installed a pro-Western government. The deep state wanted Ukraine in NATO. But Putin ने इस time red line draw कर ली. He said if Ukraine joined, it would be a death warrant for Russia. Because any conflict with Ukraine would drag all 32 NATO countries into war against him. So in 2022, Putin invaded Ukraine to stop it from joining NATO. Was it justified? Was it aggression? Depends on who you ask. But here's the twist. Donald Trump gets it. He's called out NATO's expansion and wants to stop Ukraine's membership. Trump and Putin are likely allies against a so-called deep state. It's wild to think about. So where does that leave us in 2025? NATO is stronger than ever because इसके पास 32 countries हैं. And it's also more divisive. The Russia-Ukraine war rages on and the global tensions are boiling. Is NATO a shield for freedom or a tool for control? Let me know what you're thinking in the comments below. If you like this deep dive, please hit the like button, subscribe and ring the bell icon. And हम इसी तरह आपके सामने कॉम्प्लेक्स टॉपिक्स को सिंपल तरीके से समझाते रहेंगे. थैंक यू.